In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install develop presets in Lightroom on desktop in a quick and easy way. If you've downloaded preset files and you're not sure where to put them, don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact steps. This works great for photographers, editors, and anyone who wants to speed up their Lightroom workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your desktop and make sure you're in the editing workspace. On the right side, look for the Presets panel. If you don't see it right away, scroll until you find it and click to open it. This is where all your imported and saved presets will appear. Now let's go through method 1, which is the official import method for .xmp preset files. Once the Presets panel is open, click the three dots or the menu icon at the top of that panel. From the drop-down menu, select Import Presets. A file browser window will pop up, and this is where you can locate the preset files you downloaded earlier. Find the .xmp files on your computer, select them, and then click Import. Lightroom will automatically add them into your library. After a few seconds, the presets should be installed and ready to use. This method is the best option if you want to bring in multiple preset files at once and keep everything organized. Now let's talk about method 2, which is the fast drag and drop method. If you have the .xmp file saved on your desktop or in a folder, simply drag the file directly into the Lightroom window. As soon as you drop it in, Lightroom will detect the preset and install it automatically. This is a really convenient way to save time when you only have one or a few presets to add. After installing the presets, go back to the Presets panel and look under User Presets. That's usually where your newly added presets will appear. If you don't see them immediately, refresh your view or check the folder list inside the panel. Once they show up, all you have to do is click a preset to apply it to your photo. And that's it. You've successfully installed Develop presets in Lightroom on desktop. Whether you use the import button or the drag and drop method, your presets are now ready to use anytime. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, editing tutorials, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.